Today, I'm going to be reviewing Presentastic's 5-gallon bucket seat. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I was not expecting it to be this thick. Holy cow. Really coming. And I didn't realize it spins too. Now, of course, this piece is just plastic. It's going to go over your bucket. Let's check it out. I got a bucket right here, if you can believe it. All right. Now, this is a dirty bucket. I apologize. I thought I had a cleaner one. It's on there. It spins. Now I'm going to sit on it. Let's do a sit test. I can already tell it's going to be comfortable. All right, I'm going to move my chair back. All right, let's try this out. I mean, I kind of like it. I'm glad it's this thick because it went down because I'm 210 pounds. I like that it spins. That's pretty comfortable, especially if you just need like an extra seat. You're out, I go camping. We've got camping chairs, but maybe I just bring this along and keep the bucket. And if we need it, we've got it. It's got 4.6 stars. And last month, 50 plus of these were bought. I'm surprised not more have been bought. I'm really excited. So I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.